Good afternoon, all. Yes, like that, we are postponing that one. But that is not always good. When we are internally too content and peaceful, happy, then the external any activity we can do very easily. Okay, so please try to understand the kid while doing he is not doing like very new things, but he will be always in that true joy blissful state. Why? That innocence, that purity. Okay, all those things will attract us. Once we grown up, we forget that true purity and innocence, that one. Even though we grow big also, we have to be very that childishness. If we keep internally, then we can be live very very happily. One thing I will tell you, one, you are going somewhere like out of state or out of country. Okay, you taken one hotel or you're staying there, you are using everything, but that time when it comes check out, you will be happily do that checkout, because you are detached while staying in that room. Like that, wherever you are, if you are in that detached internally, then that strain it won't come. Your happiness you will get. But in the searching of that happiness, we are forgetting our true inner joy. When you are doing any activity with fully happiness, you not only your productivity will increase, you can think creatively also. When you are thinking creatively, like that work, if it is heavy also, with that creativity you can do very simply, right? But most of the people starting itself, if something will happen, oh my god, how to do that? The thought what we are creating starting itself, we should not create anything. Let you take example of interview, or we are facing some life problems, or anything you can take. The thought internally which we are creating, that it makes a lot. Without any doubt, with full confidence, if we are creating that positive thought, then you can easily complete that problem very easily. See, problems, the way of seeing only, it seems to be problem. By keep on thinking that problem, it will become double, otherwise it will become bubble also. Most of the people, some problems, if they don't want to share that one also, they will think that, but they will keep on sharing to others. That is also consuming energy. Yes, we should not reveal any problem to anyone. When we are sharing really to others, exactly, if we are getting any support, or really he is thinking, he is understanding, giving means, then that will be fine. But keep on sharing problem also, it won't give any happiness. Happiness is like medicine. When we are taking healthy food, then that food, it works like medicine to our body. When we have healthy body, we can be happy with family, or we can do happily work. We can communicate each and every one with happily. But while listening, while reading, while speaking, we like very much, wow, this is very nice, it is very good, like that. But the moment if something situation will happen, that time we have to come to know the real power, what it is. Suddenly we will lose that patience, and we will irritate, and we will angry, like that. Okay, so the angry word came, so I will give how to overcome that angry also. See, there are two lines, one is small, one is bigger line. Okay, when we are focusing on the bigger line, that small line, it disappears, right? Like that, when we are thinking about peace and happiness, anger will vanish. To develop one good habit, we have to adopt one new habit. As simple as that. But which I already told you, that true happiness is always bliss. Senses beyond happiness. Yes. When we are detached to entire world things. If you are sitting alone, by creating positive affirmations at least 5 to 10 minutes, how you will feel? Your mind will relax, your body also will recharge,